Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And if at any point in time in this video you guys like what you see, make sure you guys hit on that like button, as well as don't forget to hit on that subscribe and hit on that bell for notifications so you get notified of any future videos. So today we're going to talk about one of the coolest widgets you'd be able to place on your Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, as well as the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 if you are a Snapchat user. Now Snapchat sent off an update, I believe it was back in March or April of 2017, and for some reason I didn't notice it until now, which I believe the reason is because I'm not a huge avid user of Snapchat, but this will probably make me use it just a little bit more. And it's a way you're able to put the Bitmoji avatar of your best friends of Snapchat onto your home screen. Now, how you're able to add this to your home screen is by pressing and holding anywhere on the screen of any home screen that is completely empty. So if I was to kind of go to this screen here, you can see that there is no empty spots because every single basically area is covered by an app. But if you press and hold anywhere that's blank, you have the option to hit on widgets. And then once you click on widgets, you're able to kind of either go through all the different listings, go over to the S, or you can go to the very top and type in Snapchat. Now, when you go over into the Snapchat one, there is two different options. So when you do have these options of, sports, where it says that there's three options, so, Snapchat is two. When you click on it, then you're able to choose which one you would like to use. Now, if you choose the one right over here, you want to press and hold, and then place it onto a blank spot of the screen. And you can see that this one right here is going to be a small little icon of a head. Now, this one is the option for close friends or best friends, and it's the people that you talk to the most. And then what you're able to do is you'll be able to just tap on that, and then now you're able to send them a snap, send them an image, do whatever you want to. Now, the reason why the head is so small is because there's going to be multiple different best friends that will be right next to each other in that small little one individual widget. So it could span across several different faces right there, and you choose on which face you would like to speak to. Now, how Snapchat is able to choose, who is going to be your best friend is that it's how the frequency and how often you send them snaps and how often they send them back to you. So you have all these different categories where you can get a little star or a yellow heart, you can get a pink heart, multiple hearts, kind of get a blushing face, as well as a fire. Now, if you are the person who is talking to them, they're talking back to you more frequently, then you're going to have one of these options right over here, from the little red heart to the multiple heart to either the smiling face as well as even the fire emoji. And so as you see those little images there, those are the people that's going to show up when you choose the option for best friends. Now, because I don't have many best friends on Snapchat, what I'm going to do is go right up over here, press and hold, and I'm going to remove it, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my friends individually so then they can be the full-bodied Bitmoji from Snapchat. Now, these are basically the images right here that they created themselves, so I wouldn't have to make it myself. Now, how you're able to add an individual friend is by doing the exact same steps, pressing and holding anywhere on an empty part of the screen, clicking on widgets, clicking again on Snapchat, and then what you want to do is you want to press and hold and then place it right anywhere you want to. But because I've already done this, I'm going to go up here and hit on cancel. Now, when you do select the person that you want to have as your little person on the screen, you're also even able to make them bigger or smaller. Now, originally, when you do this and you add somebody onto your little home screen, they're going to be right around this size. So if you wanted to, you could put multiple people across. So it looks like you could put 5 people depending on your grid of your phone. But because this is just so much more fun, making them just a little bit taller, now you're able to kind of move them anywhere and everywhere that you want them to go. And then at any point in time you want to communicate with them, just touch on their little Bitmoji, and then now you're able to say hi, hey, what's up, or you can send them a snap photo or video. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. Make sure you guys give this thing a huge thumbs up. You can also hit on the subscribe button below the video, or you can hit this little red circle right over here, hit subscribe that way. And also make sure you share this video with your friends and family, anybody that you know that uses Snapchat, so they'd be able to take advantage of these widgets that are just super cool and super fun. Outside of that, I'll see you guys later.